I'm working for a company that has a lot of projects, and one of them is an OCR written in Python with an algorithm, an AI algorithm. I'm not that much into Python, but today happened that I had to update that particular project, and yeah, I did it. All went well. It was a pretty quick fix. But then I tried to deploy it using Docker, and this weird error appeared. The error says cannot import name your code from werkzeug.urls. I don't even know how to read that word name. I think it's something German. So I searched on the internet. I first panicked, I must say the truth. I said, oh, I didn't do that big changes to bring an error like that. But I searched on the internet and I see pretty new stuff. Something like 2 days ago, people with the same error. So it seems like that this werkzeug has updated to version 3.0.0, and I'm using a Flask version of 2.2.2, and Flask isn't designed to work with werkzeug 3.0.0. So I find this is a solution, is a fix, which is saying into the requirements.txt of your project that werkzeug needs to be fixed on version 2.2.2. And this worked for me. I know it's not the best solution. The best solution should be to have always all the modules updated to the latest version. But again, if you, like me, have plenty of projects to work on, if you're not really into Python and you really can't update everything, risking that something breaks, and then you have to check what broke and try to fix it. But again, you're not so good in Python, you're not so good in Flask. I'm saying the truth. This is a quick fix, yeah, and it works. Then, if you really want to update the version of your project, of the modules of your project, because it's the best way to go, then you can speak to a professional into Python and Flask and make it the work done for you. Or you have time now that everything works. At least your production application isn't touched from this project. Now you can study better Python and Flask and try to upgrade your project. I hope this worked for you, and see you to the